In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add employees in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started by ensuring you're set up with QuickBooks. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. Simply head over to QuickBooks' website and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. If you've already got one, go ahead and click the Sign In button on the QuickBooks Online page. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your QuickBooks homepage. Here you'll need to proceed by clicking Continue after entering your account credentials. After this step, you'll be prompted to enter your password, so go ahead and input that. Once entered, click on Continue. The next step involves selecting the company file you want to work with. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you're handling multiple files. Once you've selected your company file, navigate to the dashboard. This is where you'll see an overview of your QuickBooks account activities and updates. Now direct yourself to the Payroll Overview section, which provides a snapshot of your company's payroll situation. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Employees. Clicking on this will bring up the Employee Management interface, where you can view, edit, and add employee details. To add a new employee, look for the Add Employee button and click it. This is going to take you to a form where you can enter the new employee's details. Start by filling in the basic information like the first and last name and email address. Adding an email can be particularly handy as it allows the employee to complete self-setup, streamlining the process for both parties. Next, you'll need to provide personal and contact details. Don't forget to input critical information such as the employee's address, phone number, date of birth, and if applicable, their social security number. Accurate information here is vital for tax and compliance purposes. Following this, you'll enter employment and tax information, specify the employee's start date, decide on a suitable pay schedule, whether it be weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and provide their wage details. If needed, complete the W-4 or other relevant tax forms during this step. Then comes setting up the payment and deductions. Choose an appropriate payment method for the employee, whether it's direct deposit or a traditional check. You can also select any benefits or deductions the employee is entitled to, ensuring they're correctly calculated in future pay runs. Before finalizing, review all the information you've entered to ensure its accuracy. When you're satisfied, click Done or Save to officially add the employee to your QuickBooks Online payroll system. Finally, you'll see an option to add employee once more. Click this to confirm and then select Finish Payroll Info to wrap up the process. Once that's done, your new employee is all set and ready to be part of your QuickBooks payroll system. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide simplified the process of adding employees to QuickBooks Online for you. Happy bookkeeping!